Hi there. Let's go to one more video in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this 1970 Plymouth Barracuda Gran Coupé. It's a 383. It's a 1/18 scale being made by Highway 61. Before we unbox it, please don't forget to give me your like, your comments, to subscribe my channel, and to share my video. So let's unbox it and take a better look at it. So we've got the Barracuda out of the box, and now we can take a better look at it. The 1970s Barracudas are my favorite Barracudas of all times. I really like this car. I like those lines and the way Highway 61 makes these model cars. We can see those wheels, which are very realistic. These stripes on the side, is the mirrors, the trim, everything is very well taken care of by Highway 61. As we take a look at the front, we can see that the grille was made very carefully with all lights, which are very realistic and nice. And as we see the opening here, we can see the radiator and all details that belong to this car. As we pop the hood open, we can see that it opens and closes correctly, and the engine bay, which is very realistic and very well made, with this very good looking 383 with all details, cables, wires, components, reservoir horn and alternator, battery, everything is here. Nothing was really forgotten. The hood was made very richly made, and we can see those openings here with these tiny grills instead of just leaving them open or mocking them only. The factory stickers and the hinges are very realistic as well. This antenna that moves up and down, trim around the wells, and the wheels, the Barracuda badge, and the interior, which is very realistic. Seats that fold up to the front, glove compartment which opens and closes, headliner, carpet, rear window, and the rear itself with this aluminum plate that goes all the way. The tail lights are very realistic, as well as a Barracuda badge and this logo right here. The trunk, which has a very realistic trunk lid with the factory sticker, spare tire and a jack, and this mat here, which is very similar to the one that find in a real car. Dual exhaust. Let's open the driver's door, take a better look. See the pedals and the dashboard, steering wheel that actually steers just like any other 1/18 car. And this bottom, which is also very realistic, with all brake system, suspensions, front and rear suspensions are actually breakable. They have coil springs, drive shaft turns as you turn the rear wheels. The gas tank and the mufflers are also very realistic, as well as the engine. Starter there you can see, and a tranny, which is made in a different color. So this is a very nice car to have in a diecast collection. Really glad to have it. Well, that's going to be it. I'd like to thank you for all likes and views. Please don't forget to give me your thumbs up, to share this video, leave your comments below, and to subscribe my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.